Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have JBL Live 660NC wireless Bluetooth noise canceling headphones and you're trying to pair them with your iPhone, with your Android, with another device. Either for the first time you're trying to pair something new when something's already paired to it, or you want to pair a second thing to it and have them, because you can actually have two things paired at the same time. I'm going to go through each of them really quickly. So basically, if there's nothing been paired to it, when you turn it on, this will automatically blink in blue, and then we can just go on our available list of available devices on our phone and select these this 660NC from it, and it will automatically connect. Now the next time we turn it off and turn it back on, it will automatically connect to that headphone. And so if we want to change it, so now let's say it's already connected to something, but we want to change what it's connected to. All we need to do then is, so this will be solid blue, we're just going to come in and press and hold. It's important that you press and hold this Bluetooth button until this starts to blink again. Once this starts to blink again, it will have disconnected from what it was connected to before, and then you can go on to whatever device you want to connect it to now and connect it. And then from then now on, now it's connected to that. When you turn it off, turn it back on, it will automatically connect to that. The last thing you might want to do is connect it to two things at once, like your phone and your computer. And then so like it will only play music from one, but it will stay paired to both. So like if you're listening on your phone and then you press play on the music on your computer, it will automatically pause what it was playing on the phone and play what's on the computer. But anyways, if you want to do that, you need to first be paired with something normally. So basically this will be solid blue because it's indicating that it's paired with something. And then you're just going to come into a single tap, not a long tap, a short tap on the Bluetooth button, and that will open up the multi-point connection on it. Then you can go on your computer, whatever your second device is, and select this 660NC from the list of available devices, and it will be paired with both. So if you're still, hopefully this worked. If you're still having issues, you might want to try doing a factory reset on it if you're having pairing issues. I'll put a link in the description to how to do that. But anyways, let me know if this worked, and if it did, if you could let me know, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.